This video is the fourth in the series of looking at video scopes for color correction in Final Cut. You'll use the histogram and the vector and waveform scopes and see a workflow to correct with those scopes. You've got some night footage in your Harbour City clips and it's called Fireworks. If we bring that into the timeline and put our playhead over it now and just scrub through that, we can see in the vector scope that the colours look quite good. But if we come to the histogram, obviously our first step is to make sure the blacks are on the zero line, and you can see they're not. So we can come to our colour correction here and go to the black and whites and bring the blacks to the 0 point. Just a little bit more, so let's make it -3. Too much, so let's make it -2. And that's sitting on the black line there. And if we now come to our waveform and select Luma, then the blacks are nicely on the line. The whites are a little high, so we can bring those down. And perhaps we can lift. No, we don't want to lift it too much because it's starting to go grainy. So we may, in fact, leave the mid-tones on the line there. So that's covered the black and whites. Now let's come to the vector scope, and we can now see that the colours of the whites could be improved. If we play through that now, you can see we have solid blacks there with bright colours. If we turn our colour correction off, you can see the vast difference there of where the sky is grainy until you turn the colour correction back on again, and you can see that it's gone to solid black.